Meet Simplify, powering productivity improvement and consistent growth across all your locations. Struggling with inconsistent results and drowning in data? Is important operational knowledge siloed? With Simplify, upload or connect your data seamlessly into our secure platform. No complex mapping required. See your most impactful metrics in the Value Lever Map. Our data science reveals hidden capacities and predicts your most likely growth outcomes. Prometrics puts focus on the metrics that matter, letting you spend more time taking action on insight and less time wrangling reports. Our AI creates an action plan matrix tailored for your organization. The Value Lever Map, Prometrics Scorecard, and Action Plan Matrix form your organization's synthetic intelligence layer. Pro Navigator turns your synthetic intelligence layer into a continuous improvement engine, recommending the optimal actions for each location. Personalize action plans. Collaborate with your team to refine action plans in real time by seeing best practices from locations scoring high on a metric. Add more best practices to your knowledge base. Simplify keeps everyone aligned and productive. As you enter new actions, reports, and best practices to your knowledge base, our synthetic intelligence layer updates and learns, continuously improving your data science models. Experience the future of business management with Simplify using AI to power productivity improvement, smarter decisions, higher profits, turning synthetic intelligence into strategic decisions that drive weekly action.